Hey, what's up? Sam here. So this is Petalas, the world's first AI-powered self-flushing cat litter box. It's not just a normal litter box, it's also a smart pet health management system. Instead of the usual mechanical scooping, this one uses a full water wash system to rinse, flush, and dry automatically after every use. Waste gets crushed and flushed through a sealed drainage system, which means no dust, no smell, and no manual cleaning. It even uses AI and built-in sensors to recognize different cats, track their habits, and even perform urine testing on designated cats to generate detailed health reports in the app. Basically, everything from washing to drying happens on its own, giving your cat a clean, fresh box every single time, while you just sit back, relax, and enjoy more time with your favorite friend. But is it really that good? In this video, let's dive into it, shall we? Unlike most enclosed litter boxes on the market, the Petalas uses an open-style design. At first glance, cats would definitely be curious about it. At least mine, Momo, was. Since it relies on water flushing to clean the waste, you have water inlet on the back to connect to clean tap water to wash the litter, and a water outlet to flush the waste away. For even better cleaning, there's also a detergent box that uses non-toxic formula, certified to eliminate over 99.9% of bacteria. There's a touch screen on top, so you can perform basic operations without the app, which I'll talk about later. The most innovative part of Petalas is the cone-like barrier inside, along with the two front propellers that store the water when the box is filled. And then there's a built-in waste crushing chamber, something I've never seen on any other litter box. So with that being said, let's put this thing into action and see how it actually works. First things first, let's add the litter. Notice this isn't the usual cat litter you find on the market. It's Petalas' proprietary plastic-like pellets that don't dissolve in water. After you pour in the right amount, just level it with your hand, and you're done. After the cat finishes and leaves the box, for demonstration I use 2 dry dates. About 30 seconds later, the cone plate starts moving from its initial position to the opposite end of the box and extends the propellers. Water is then pumped in until it reaches a certain level. This takes about 1.5 minutes, so here's a time lapse to show the full process. At this point, the propellers begin spinning, pushing the pump toward the back until it falls into the crushing chamber. Then the water drains, pouring the waste down with gravity and suction into the grinder. Here you can see the dry dates. The skin is completely worn off by the blades, so you can imagine real cat poop is very easy to break down and flush away. For anyone worried that poop might be hard to move, the entire washing cycle actually repeats 3 times. After that, it enters the litter drying stage. You'll see the cone plate continues to rake the litter back and forth, almost like turning soil, which speeds up the drying process. I even tested with a tissue, and it dries surprisingly well. As expected from a small litter box, Petalas offers an app. It's still in the early stages and currently supports basic features like cat detection mode, schedule mode, which lets it clean at preset times, manual mode, and remote control. The standard feature, which I haven't seen on any other litter box, is the urine testing, the smart health management system I mentioned earlier. Tap the microscope icon and the small cartridge holding the test strip slides out. Insert the strip, tap with the jaw, and that's it. The system analyzes your cat's urine and generates a detailed health report, letting you know whether your cat is doing well or showing signs of potential issues. Petalas also supports multi-cat recognition. It has built-in RFID detection, so if your cat already has a microchip or you touch the sensor tag, it can identify each cat accurately. After going through everything the Petalas system offers, it's clear this isn't just another automatic litter box. It's a whole new category. The full-cycle water wash cleaning, waste grinding drainage system, and holiday drying crate level hygiene traditional mechanic scoopers simply cannot match. No climbing litter, no debris stuck in the machine, and no lingering odor. Everything happens inside a sealed water environment. which is a huge step forward for cleanliness and convenience. And the health monitoring feature, multi-calorie recognition, urine testing, and AI-powered wellness reports are the real value for owners who want deeper insights into the cat's condition. The AI health management system is especially impressive considering how often pet stores overcharge for similar checkups. On the downsides, as with any open-style litter box, some pellets may get kicked or tracked out when your cat leaves. A litter mat solves most of that. Installation does require water inlet and a drainage line, but aside from that, the Petalas is one of the most advanced and practical systems I've tested. So if you want the closest thing to a truly hands-free, zero-odor, health tracking litter solution on the market, the Petalas is easily one of the strongest options available right now. Alright. Momo, you like it? You like it, right? So that's our review on the Petalas cat litter box. What do you think about it? And will you consider get one of these? And if you are interested, please check the link in the description and get one now. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Hello, bye bye. Bye bye.